Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 11:59 p.m. right now and I decided to wash my hair, well, do my hair. Okay guys, hello. So I recently just started learning how to braid and I think that I am doing a pretty good job. Prior to me doing these tiny braids, I did 6 braids going back. Yeah, it was super cute. I personally, or people in my family, we don't have no ear at the side of our head. So for me, it doesn't matter what hairstyle I do, I will have difficulties, doing that hairdo. But nevertheless, we gonna make it work or whatever. So yeah, I know I've been away for a long time, and I'm gonna try to do better or whatever, but we will see. I sound annoying as hell. It's currently 2:56 a.m. right now. I'm so tired. But yeah, I low-key could have chopped this video up and make it super shorter, but I don't know. Let's see if I'll do it, but yeah, I'm gonna just put this to upload, then I'm going to bed, because my husband finna call me early in the morning. So I'm gonna need to go to sleep, so when that man call me I could have a little bit of energy to speak to him. But so yeah, catch y'all in my next video. Oh yeah, definitely tired as hell. So yeah, I decided to wash my hair. I did a treatment. I used avocado, egg, a mayonnaise. I don't remember what else I put in my hair, but it's basically a protein mask. I let it sit for like 35 minutes in my head. Then I wash it out with some Head and Shoulder shampoo and a very good conditioner. I think it was a Tresemme one I used. Hey guys, okay, so I am finished with my hair. Let me see if I could lift this a little bit. Okay, so my hair is done. I put the bead on. It's raggedy, whatever. I don't care. I am proud of myself. So let me spin around. Parting, I give myself a 0 out of 1. Actually, no, I'll take that back. It is so bad, I'll give you a 0, but I can't, so I give myself a 1. But I love it. It's cute. I can't believe I braid my hair myself. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I put some oil on my scalp. I mix up a lot of oil, like Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. I mix it all up. All of them hair growth oils, I mix it all up and I just put it in my scalp. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me see what time it is. It's actually 2:30. What time did I start? I don't remember, but okay, y'all. I'm gonna put my scarf and my bonnet on. I'll see you guys in my next video, I guess.